Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill was written in 1937. It is my favorite book. Wealth comes from increasing your power to think and developing your ability to access the universe intelligence. We live in a world of overabundance and everything the heart could desire, with nothing standing us and our desires, accepting lack of definite purpose. Hill refused to accept that success was the domain of luck or background or the gods, or wanted to provide a concrete plan for success that depend entirely on yourself. Hill's mission was simply to know how the wealthy becomes the way, and his systematic approach to success became the 8-volume Laws of Success. The book has no shadows or complication, setting out the things that work and leaving others. Near the end of Think and Grow Rich, Hill admits that the main reason he wrote it was the fact that millions of men and women are paralyzed by the fear of poverty. The link between the spiritual values and making money is something that non-Americans may find difficult to take seriously or even comprehend, yet it is the very expression of American morality. Wealth creation is a product of mind, combining reasoning, imagination, and tenacity. Hill understood that uniqueness expressed in a refined idea or product would always eventually meet with monetary rewards. Barnes intuitively knew that success secret of willing to burn all bridges, ensuring that there is no retreat to a former mediocre life. Having a definite purpose always gives results, and Hill includes a 6-step method developed by Andrew Carnegie for turning white hot desires into reality. Hill counsels never to worry if others think your idea are crazy. Marconi's friend took him to mental hospital for believing that he could send messages through the air. He invented radio. Hill's famous statement is, what the mind of man can conceive and believe it can achieve. But his great insight is that no more effort is required to aim high in life than to accept an existence of misery and lack. Napoleon Hill defined rich in terms of quality friendship, family harmony, good work relationship, and spiritual peace.